Fucking here we go.
We're back. And back like no before. We have caught a fish. Yes, that is right. A fucking fish. 62 centimetres, Barra. We've travelled 2.5 hours from Darwin.
Fought like a fucking freight train.
Like 6 hours by plane from fucking Brisbane. I don't know, last time it took 6 hours to get here from Brisbane, but yeah, it was one of those new Virgin airline pilots.
Fought like a fucking freight train.
Anyway, the fish, just like dun 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 dun. It's like when you're a fucking virgin, you're just having a little peck, but then all of a sudden, that nice warm feeling gets too much, and then it's like boom, and you're in, and it's like dun 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 dun. It was on. It was fantastic. I tell you what, 62 centimeters of glory. I don't eat fish myself, but my colleague behind the camera loves the stuff. So it is going to be on the menu tonight.
You're full of shit. Is that it?
All I want to say is thank you to sponsors like Yamaha, Master Foods, as they provided the mayonnaise bucket which holds the fucking fish.